Hey guys, welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to see how we can scatter the data. We have already seen how to broadcast the data. The difference between scattering and broadcast is that in broadcasting, we send the entire data item to all the nodes. And in scattering, we send only the parts of that particular dictionary or data item to the nodes individually. So let us see how it is done. So I have already written the program. So this is the program and I am going to explain you how this program works. So we are familiar with these first 5 lines. Now if rank equals to 0, then data equals to x for x in range 0 to size. Okay, and we will be scattering, and then we are going to join all the members of this data in a string, and that's it. And if rank is not equal to 0, then data equals to none. Okay, now let us see how we can scatter the data. So data equals to com dot scatter data comma root equals to 0. So it is going to scatter the data. And the first argument is the data to be scattered, and root equals to 0 means it is going to scatter it from the rank equal to 0. And finally, we are going to write what rank is going to hold what data. So let us save it and let us try to run it individually first. MPI run minus np for Python 3 and prog08.py, and this is the output. So now let us copy it to all the other nodes. Three, 4, 6. Okay, now it has been copied to all the other nodes. Now let us run it in the parallel mode. So let us check the earlier MPI run command, and we just need to modify it by changing the name of the Python file, and let us run it and let us see how it works. And this is the output. So it shows us what rank has got what data. So this is all about scattering. So rank 0 is scattering all the data, and every rank is receiving one data item, which is the part of a bigger data structure. So thanks a lot for watching this video lecture. In the next video lecture, we are going to study gathering of data, which is exactly opposite of scattering. So thanks a lot once again, and I will see you next time.